In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a PDF in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your document, access the signing tools, create a clean signature, and place it precisely where you want it. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. If the file isn't already associated with Bluebeam, you can launch Revu first and use File and Open to browse to your document. Give the pages a quick scan so you know exactly where the signature needs to go, like a designated signature line or approval box. Next, head to the top menu and choose Tools, then Signatures, and select Sign Document. This is the command that tells Bluebeam you're ready to place a signature on the page. When you activate it, your cursor will be primed to insert a signature appearance. If you don't have a signature saved yet, choose Create New Signature. Bluebeam will prompt you to build one using whichever method you prefer. You can draw it, type it, or import an image. Drawing is great if you have a mouse, trackpad, or stylus and want a handwritten look. Typing produces a clean, readable name with a signature-style font. Importing works well if you already have a high-quality image of your signature, ideally a PNG with a transparent background for a neat result. Take a moment to preview and, if available, adjust options like color or line thickness so the signature looks natural and professional. Save it so you can reuse it later without recreating it. Once your signature is ready, move your cursor to the exact spot on the PDF where it belongs. Zoom in if you need precision, especially on small lines or boxes. Click once to place it. If the size isn't quite right, use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions consistent. You can drag to fine-tune the position until it's perfectly aligned. If something goes wrong, use Undo to try again. After the signature is placed correctly, save your document. Using Save As is a good idea if you want to keep a clean original and a signed copy. If you need the signature on multiple pages or in several places, simply repeat the placement process wherever it's required in the same file. That's it. You've opened your PDF, accessed the Sign Document tool, created a signature using Draw, Type, or Import, and placed it exactly where it needs to go in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for watching and happy signing.